Little Mo is thankfully safe back home after someone tried to steal him. The 8-year-old cat was laying on his porch in Nebraska when a 17-year-old came up and tried to lure him away. After getting close enough, the 17-year-old girl catnapped the rescue animal and made towards her getaway car. But the smart kitty wasn't going to go easy and was able to escape from his captor and run back home. Mo's owner, Samuel Evertson, contacted authorities over the incident, but he says that his beloved cat will be staying indoors from now on.